Oh.
For MomMom and PopPop.
We should make this for my mom and papa.
Yeah.
You would really like this.
Yeah, but let's make it chocolate.
Okay. Maybe put chocolate on the outside?
Yeah. But we need chocolate so we can mush it.
Yeah.
Hello, me.
Maybe we can mush this chocolate. We could mush this somehow and drizzle that somewhere, right?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Jasmine. I'm here with...
Tiana.
And this is the Teaspoon of Love Cookbook Challenge. We are so excited to be here with you today. We have no idea what we are making. Pull it! Oh, we got some fun stuff here. All things that you like.
I like strawberry.
What do you like that you see here?
I like strawberry.
Oh, strawberries. What else do you like?
Banana.
Me too. Anything else?
I like chocolate.
Chocolate. Is that dark chocolate? 85% cocoa. Yes. That's the good stuff.
I like chocolate.
What about apples? Do you like apples?
Yum.
Want to hold them? Yummy.
Yummy.
Oh, it's nice and cold too. So today we're going to be making some strawberry cheesecake bites and some apple nachos, I believe. Because we're going to be taking the dark chocolate chips, which is going to be so good, and putting them on top of sliced apples. We're going to be slicing these pretty thin as well. Because I think that's the best bet. Yeah. Okay. So let's put everything on here so we can cut it. Grab some strawberries out.
And now,
Yeah, good job. And then what we're gonna do is cut the top off. So you want to cut right there. You're right-handed, so yeah.
whoa.
Yep.
Yeah.
Put some pressure.
Mm.
Perfect.
Yay.
Put that there. Yes. Yes, baby girl. Go ahead. Gonna hold it.
Press it. And more?
Want me help?
No, I don't need no help.
You don't need any help? You got this?
Yeah.
So it looks like we're gonna get a little messy with this part, Tiana. We got the honey. We got the cream cheese.
I'm gonna do that.
Yeah. So let's make sure we keep you nice and clean. You got on a pretty dress.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy's okay. She has on black. She was a little more prepared. All right. Want to help me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's scoop out a good amount.
Come
I
on.
wonder if we should put it in here first. We do gotta pipe it.
Come on. Get out.
I feel like we'll be okay.
Shake. It's working.
Yeah, we did it. I'm gonna hold it with you so we don't pour way too much. This is our sugar.
I want on the
Yummy. Who gives us our honey? Wanna mix it up? Where does our honey come from?
bees.
That's right.
Bees make honey. Bees need to make honey because people need honey.
Yes, we do. It's good. It helps some of us get better, right? It has medicine in it.
Yeah.
This is gonna be good in our strawberries because we used a lot. All right. What's inside of our bag?
Like that.
Well, actually, let's cut off the middle of our strawberries so we're ready for that. Okay.
Can I do the cutting?
Yeah. You can use this.
Okay.
We're gonna poke the center. Mommy's gonna hold it, and we're gonna rock this back and forth. So that way, maybe our strawberry even stays in there a little bit. And we have enough space. Here, you want to hold it with me or you want to watch Mama?
I want.
Okay. And then we can get it in there. Yeah. And that worked a little bit.
How to do it.
Special the camera.
Now I know how to do it.
So the inside of our strawberry is like a little hole in it. So that we can put the cream cheese on the inside. Let's do it to something else. Let's use something else to see what else could work. Here, you hold that. So poke the middle. We're going to try and put a hole in it. Poke a hole in the top. Oh. Yeah. Yep, keep poking it. That's perfect. I like that. Hey,
Can I?
yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Try and stay in the middle. Yep. This is gonna be good. Okay. Let's do one more.
What are you doing?
Okay. Here, mommy will do it with you. Mommy will do one more with you.
Got it.
I feel like there's a few techniques we could use here.
Oh, come on.
Okay, so we can poke it out with a straw, which we love. We could even use this thing. This thing would have probably worked really good. Let's see what this does. Look. See that? You poke it in there. Lord have mercy. Wow, that was really good, though. Let's do it again, but not go all the way through. Right, gentle, mommy.
Gentle.
Yes, gentle.
Did
Ooh,
you go
look at that. Let's do it again.
It looks like a monster. Looks like.
Let's put our cream cheese and our honey mixture in our bag. Let's add a little bit more cream cheese, actually. This is right. See?
Mom.
Wow, you did. Good job. That's a great hole.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right. See.
They look like a square. Look like Elmo.
So mommy's just thickening up our cream cheese a little bit more, okay?
Okay. Can I try?
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Uh-oh. Spaghettios. That's okay. Sometimes a little mess happens, right? Alright, so mommy's gonna try to put this right in the corner of the bag so that we don't have a huge fight with the cream cheese getting out.
Cute.
Yeah, right? And then we're gonna seal it. We're gonna get all the air out. So look, let's squeeze this all the way to the side and then squeeze it so we get all the air out. Up here. Squeeze up there. Squeeze. And then close it. Right? And then we're gonna cut this
Where?
so that we can get our filling inside of our delicious strawberry.
It looks like icing. We need to make an icing.
It kind of is like icing, boo-boo.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's fill our strawberries now. So remember mommy said she was gonna cut this? So I'm gonna cut a little hole. We can always go bigger. So let's cut one that's like kind of small. Alright, let's give it a squeeze, see what happens. I feel like that's kind of okay. Alright, so here, you hold on to that. Can mommy hold this for you? Alright, and you're gonna put it in there and squeeze. Okay, getting it. See how it's kind of going in there? Alright, let's try some more. Let me see, let me push it down back. There we go. Let mommy cut it a little bit more. Just a little. Alright.
Let's see what happens.
Yeah. It's okay for mommy to try?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that was much easier. See how I'm pushing it all down to the bottom? There you go. You want me to do it? Okay.
That's enough.
That's enough.
Yeah. Can I try?
Yeah. You squeeze.
Let me see.
Ooh, that was really good. Alright, let's put this one to the side.
Yeah.
I don't think it can go here on this tray. We know what. Pass me the graham crackers, baby. We gotta do the top coating for our crust.
Can I open it?
Yeah. So slide your hand under there and pull it. You gotta pull it hard. Good job. And then the other side, pull hard. Good job. Okay, pull out some. Nice. Okay.
Come on.
Perfect. And then pop it in here.
Break it.
Yeah. Yeah. Put the other one in. I know you want to take a bite. And then crush it up. Yep. There we go. That's much better. Like, yeah. Watch your little hands. Watch your little fingers. Yep. Good job, baby. Nice. A little harder. Yep. And then hit the big pieces. I think we did a pretty good job. We got enough crust for our strawberries. Okay. And now squeeze it. Let's give it a squeeze. Yep. One more squeeze. You want to eat some? Okay. Can you sprinkle some on our strawberries for us?
Yes.
Good job. You want a snack? Oh.
Lucky.
It's okay for mommy help? Mommy's turn? That way they can do it. Ooh. Look at all that graham cracker crust. Let's put some big ones on there for razzle dazzle.
Because we want to eat them.
That's right. Precisely it. We want to tear these bad boys up.
Not bad boys, good girl.
Good. Okay, we want to tear these good girls up. Right. They look pretty.
And those are the bad boys with the hat.
Oh, the bad.
Those are the good girls with the big hat.
Oh. Okay, put down your... It's good? Alright, let's see. Mommy's gonna help because we gotta kind of start it thin, like this. See how mommy's going really thin, trying to keep it right up here. You want to go as close to where we just cut as possible. That's okay. We can start with that, right? That looks okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. For the flavors? Okay. Alright. Let's see. Your little hand here. I'm gonna lean in a little bit. Try and get it. Ooh, it's juicy. Okay, we're still gonna use that.
Wow.
Apple chips.
Apple chips.
Yeah.
Apple chips.
Apple chips.
Apple chips.
Woo.
Ooh,
Taking some muscle power, I know that. Alright, let's go to the other side. Mommy feels like a lot of this muscle power is coming from her. Because the graham cracker has your attention. Let's see. Alright, I feel like we got some good crisp slices here. What do you think?
graham pepper.
Just graham crackers, that's all you know?
Yes.
Like, that's good. And we're supposed to take this, and it's still melted. That's really good. Alright, you want to help me with this part?
With the big hat.
Oh. I'm excited. This actually looks very good. Alright. You're going to drizzle it on our apples however you want. Let's get it on all of them. So all the flavors are on all the apples. Want some more? Yummy. That looks good. Want to get some more? Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Get that one. That one looks like it needs some. Yeah. All right. A little more? Okay. I'm here for it. All right. That looks good. Now,
chocolate.
We're gonna put some of these healthy seeds on here. So we got some chia seeds. Do you say chia seeds?
Yeah. Pineapple.
Yeah. Just a little because they come out very fast. That's good. Yeah. Maybe a little more. Make it easy for you to grab it. Good job, baby. Now use those little pinchers. Drizzle some on top. Like we do our fish. When we feed our fishy.
Fish like fishy food.
A little bit like his food. Okay? Let's do our chocolate now. This is our favorite part. Well, actually, let's do our coconut too. We'll put some coconut on some of it because you may not enjoy coconut like mommy does.
Yeah.
Let's do that.
Can I put it on?
Yes, ma'am. Well, let's see because we may not enjoy all of it on there.
Why?
But we can do the whole thing. Come on. Whatever you want, baby. Okay. That good?
Yeah.
Want to almost crush these or something.
No, Mom.
You just want to put big chunks on there? Big old chunks?
But,
It does smell really good. You can smell the sugar.
yeah.
Now you go ahead and sprinkle those on there.
We make cookies with chocolate too
Yeah.
at home.
Okay, a little bit more. All right. What about this area?
Oh.
Nice. Yeah, I want some too. Mmm. So good. Throw some bananas on top.
Throw some bananas. That's not how you say it. Let's put some bananas on.
Oh. Well, you can say throw. You can use different words.
Hey,
Mmm. So sweet.
can I try?
Yeah. Go ahead. Take that piece.
I don't want this.
Or that. Take a bite of that.
Oh, I want this one.
So it's time to try our strawberries. Are you ready? Let's try a little one for you. Let's take a nice bite and see how we like it. Ready? Want me to do the airplane or the train?
I think both.
All right. Ready?
Now here's the now.
Take a nice big chew it up. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum. Mommy's gonna have some too. With you.
The apples.
Yes, the apple taco. And we should try and eat it like a taco. Let's see what pieces. Okay, this is a good taco piece. Ready? Mommy's salivating. Okay, you would like this. Like it? Yeah?
That's yummy.
Yeah. This is a good healthy snack. I would eat this. For having us for the Teaspoon of Love Cookbook Challenge. Tiana, did you have fun today?
Yes.
Great. So did I. I can't wait to take some of these delicious snacks with us today. Wait, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.